Hello everyone, in today's video I want to guide you on how to disable or turn off Windows Defenders permanently on Windows PC. What is Windows Defender? This is an inbuilt antivirus that is in your Windows PC to help protect any malware, any viruses on your PC. Sometimes you may need to turn off this setting so that you'll be able to install third-party antivirus or some application on your device. If this protection is turned on, you will not be able to install that apps or such program on your device. That is why this video is very useful for you. In this video, I will give you two important steps on how to disable it. One is very simple, but the second one is technical, but it's going to help you disable it permanently on your PC and have control of how you protect your PC. First process is to come to this place, right click on the window icon here, click on settings, go and click on privacy and security or update and security. So on Windows 11 it is called privacy and security, while on Windows 10 it is called update and security. So click on this button. Once you click on it, then here you see window security, click on it. Once you click on Windows Security, a new page pop up like this. You have something like this. Now, here click on Virus and Threat Protection. Once you click on Virus and Threat Protection, a new window will pop up like this. Then scroll up until you have access to Manage Setting here under Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. Once you click on it, consider the real-time protection is on. So tap on this button and select yes. That will help you to disable this on your device. Now the second process is to permanently disable this on your setting, and it's very simple but it's a bit technical. That is why you need to carefully watch this video through the process to the end. On your keyboard, combine Windows plus R key to bring you this run button. We want to access our registry. Write in regedit in the space provided, then on your keyboard hit the enter button or you click on this OK. Provide yes when it comes up. We have something like this. Now here, carefully see what I want to explain. Now click on HK local machine to expand this by clicking on the arrow at the back. Then click the arrow at software. Now tap or click anyone, then tap on P on your keyboard to scroll down to the P section. Here you need to expand policies. Click on the arrow to expand policy. Once you've expanded policy, expand Microsoft. Once you've expanded Microsoft, now here locate what is called Windows Defender. Here click on this. Once you click on this button, you have something like this. Now at this place, right click here, over your mouse to new, then move your mouse to dword 32-bit value. Click on it. Now carefully enter this word correctly without space in between them. Disable anti-spyware. Now take a look at it. The disable starts with capital, anti with capital A, and spy with capital A without space. Now click anywhere here. Now right click on this button, click on modify. Now it comes out like this, hexadecimal. Change this one to 1. Click on OK. Now close this window and restart your PC. This will help you turn off Windows security or protection on your window completely without any problem. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more important updates like this.